Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana cream cheesecake. Banana cream pie? No. Banana cream cheesecake. All right, let's add it. Simple ratios. 1 cup of pastry flour, 1 cup of almond flour. Screen it, of course. And 1 stick of unsalted butter. And you can use a pastry thing for it. Anyways, I like to use knives and then, of course, your fingers. And then get it down to the point of where you can work it with some water to make your snowball. Throw out your parchment paper, work it a little more. Press it down. Get it all ready to put it on your spring pan. Okay, spring pan. Sunflower oil, white cornmeal, and you know the act. I'll throw it on there, wipe off the sides, unwrap it, goes right in. And I got some banana pudding liquor. I don't know, it's some weird stuff. But anyways, I'm using that with 3 bananas, mashing them all up. Zest time. Buy yourself a nice organic lemon and do some good lemon zest. 2 ounces of sugar. Please don't overuse sugar. And then a 1/2 cup of sour cream.
Okay, now a little vanilla. For flavor, a little maple syrup.
Okay, time to put in the banana slop. And again, mix slowly. You don't want to over air this thing so it doesn't explode and then, fall. Anyways, throw your eggs in slowly, 1 at a time. And then, of course, a 1/4 cup of pastry flour as a binder. And I'm using a 1/2 ounce of Amaretto di Saronno for your almond crust. Into the spring pan, 1/4 inch from the top, and then into the oven, 325 for 1.5 hours, and then of course you turn it off and let it cool overnight. The next morning, in the morning I made, of course, whipped cream and ganache, and here I am dressing it up a little. Whipped cream, bananas, and then of course I'm going to dress the plate up for you. Nice. And then, of course, my usual random ganache splorping of chocolate. Excellent. Banana cream cheesecake. A treat indeed. Very rich in flavor and wonderful dessert to make on an almond crust. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.